Hey, Yade. I didn't know Yagi Kehala, the 2017, the Navajo, Navajo 1, or Diego. Thank you for coming to Navajo 1. And this is a pre-class video for lesson 1. And lesson 1 is Aho Ego. It's up to you, okay? So one of the things I need to tell you before I do the video clip is that when you press, if after we've gone through the class and you wanted to actually listen to the class, I want you to press just the title. And once you press the title, oh, okay, I think I did something. Okay, once you press the title, it should tell you where to go, and then you press it one more time, and then you should get into the video clip that the class had. So this is after we teach this. I teach this class. Okay, so now let's go over to the lesson that we're going to have, and let's go down here. So this is the way I'm going to teach. We've got 3 categories here. One is right here. It's the topic and objectives. Okay, and then another one called protection way, which is just the opposite of the positive way, or the horizontal way. It's called the positive way. It's called horizontal, not or horizontal, or dash. So these are 3 categories on which I can teach all the lessons. Okay, so today pre-class is September 12th, and we start at 4 p.m. And the objective here is I will review the 5-minute class pre-class video clip and say the words written down with the clips. Okay, so you just follow along. So I will go ahead and put here the pre-video for the class after I'm done with it, and then also the pass-off video will be right here after we finish the class. And then I'll have another video because I think people are wanting to learn about the sound symbol, what the syllables sounds are. So after the class, I'll go ahead and get into this, another 5-minute clip. So I got 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. I don't want to make more than 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more than 5 minutes, but I don't want to go way over like 10 minutes or anything like that. If possible, I will make a little game out of it. It's a video game, so you can come practice, listen to it, and practice. Okay. This is just I might do a little video on the bicultural tool bag, but for right now, let's not worry about it. Let's go right into the pre-video. Okay, this is the pre-video. When I say pre-video, it'll just be talking about inside kiss, and then I'll do another video where this will be called a pass-off. Okay, the pass-off video will be right there. But right now I'm just worried about what we're going to learn here. So in this inside kiss, we talk about brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming, and then we'll. So in this video clip I have on the protection way side, at ego, which is this right here, ego. If you're on the negative side, then it'll be the negative thoughts, okay, the negative things. So let's say we just brainstorm, and one of them is do hachim da jile. Okay, not strong. One becomes, okay, one becomes not strong. All right, should be right here. Okay, so that's what that is. And you will be weak, basically. Okay, another one is at aho okay, you won't be up to, all things will become hard for you. Okay, is all things. Not up to, and then jile is the one becomes. Okay, and then another negative thought might be jile. ajit jile. Okay, so can't do. Che is a can't do or hard. Uh, can't do one becomes you will do hard thing. You will not. You, you will. You will not do hard things. Okay, everything will be hard for you. But if we talk about on the positive side, see, okay, the blessing we're teaching. On that side, ego, when you use this concept, look what happens. Okay, one of them is hatzil jile. One strong, one becomes strong is hatzil. One becomes strong jile. You become strong. Another positive one is altsone bejiga jile. Altsone bejiga jile. All things up to you, one becomes. You will overcome all things, basically, is what you're saying. Okay? And then another positive one is dohul nahun ada jile. Dohul nahun ada jile. Things won't be hard. One becomes. You will, but you will not be weak. Okay? You will not be weak. Is what you're saying. Everything you everything will be kind of easy for you because you learn how to do all this concept called ahojit ego. So anyway, that's what we'll go through. And the next thing we'll do is we'll actually have in the class we'll actually have these forms. We'll quickly go over to the pre-clip kind of stuff, but this is the heart of our lesson is these two, okay? In it, we'll learn some questions, answer the questions. We'll have a statement that's a negative statement, but then we'll have another statement that's a more positive statement. Sally would be the more positive statement, okay? And so that's what the class will be all about. Thank you, and we'll see you in class.